Southwest Florida, also known as the Paradise Coast, has no shortage of multi-million-dollar luxury beachfront homes. But have you ever wondered what building one of those custom estates would be like? We had the opportunity to visit the new construction site of a custom estate currently being built in Naples and talk with the builder, Luxury Home Solutions, about what goes into this kind of massive project. We're heading down the gorgeous palm tree-lined Gulf Shore Boulevard, where you can find some of the most impressive beachfront estates in town. And we're almost to our destination, which is literally right next door to the Naples Beach Hotel and Golf Club. Let's head inside and meet the builders. Okay, we're here with Luxury Home Solutions. This is Norm Bloxham. He's the president of Luxury Home Solutions. We're talking about this beautiful property that we're here on today at 777 Gulf Shore Boulevard North. Tell us about this property and this home, square footage, where the lot is, and what goes into a project of this caliber.
Okay, this is an absolutely gorgeous house. It's just under 28,000 square foot. I had to knock down 2 houses on this lot to be able to fit the house on here. It's incredible bringing a team together with structural engineers, designers to design the house up, and then putting a professional team together from LHS to build it. An average of about 45 guys working on the job every single day, which is a lot. It's a big project, 2,800 square foot pond out front with a little bridge coming over. It's got, we got 3 different companies building railings at the present time. The job's just turning out real good. The customer is extremely happy. I couldn't be happier with the way it's coming about. And I'm going to turn to, I think, my construction manager, Todd Apple, to say a couple words about the project as it was being built.
Todd Apple with Luxury Home Solutions. I'm the project manager that's currently running this project for Norm Bloxham. It's 27,446 square feet, 7 bedroom, 11 bath, custom home right on the Gulf on a 1.38 acre lot. We have a 1,500 square foot pool, 2,800 square foot pond out front. We have 4 bars, 3 laundry rooms, 13 car garage. The house is built on a structure consisting of 257 12 by 12 42-foot long concrete piles that are driven into the ground 7 feet below grade, and that's where we started building the structure up from there. We started the project approximately end of October 2014, and we're currently scheduled to be complete by the end of September 2016. A little under 2-year build. A project like this usually averages 2.5 to 3 year build.
If you're wondering how the market is in this niche neighborhood, we've got good news. The numbers are showing us that this is a great time for buyers searching for a residence on Gulf Shore Boulevard. The selection is the best in many months, and prices are still very attractive. Sellers should be cautioned though, as inventories rise, this area could quickly turn to a buyer's market. So now could be the optimum time to sell for some owners. While we were so close to the Naples Beach Hotel and Golf Club, we took a drive by the golf course renovations that we reported on in one of our earlier shows. Things are coming along nicely, with a lot more green on the horizon and an on-schedule reopening set for December of this year. Our featured property of the week is located in Gulfside at Parkshore, which is also right off of Gulf Shore Boulevard, along with many other luxury high-rises in the area, and offers a bird's-eye view of the Gulf. Enjoy the tranquil blue water and white sand views from this completely renovated penthouse unit. Upgraded finishes and contemporary fixtures offer all the luxury you'd expect from an elevated sanctuary in Southwest Florida. If you want more information on LHS Home Builders or any of the properties we featured today, be sure to check out the links in the description. You can also find a link to all the open houses in this area. We're so glad you joined us today along the gorgeous Gulf Shore of Paradise. See you next time.